Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 9 against the iPhone XS Max. So we have the new Snapdragon 855 CPU going up against the A12 Bionic, 6GB of RAM versus 4. This is one of the newest and cheapest Android flagship phones. How will it do against Apple's flagship? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Xiaomi Mi 9. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the new Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the iPhone XS Max. It has a Super Retina HD display. It's on the latest version of iOS 12. It has the A12 Bionic CPU and the in-house Apple GPU and 4GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Mi 9 wins by 5 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Mi 9 wins by 3 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Mi 9 won by a massive 5 points. In round 2, the Mi 9 won again, and this time it was by 3 points. As for the price difference, well, the Mi 9 can be had for less than half the price of the iPhone XS Max, and it really comes down to if you prefer Android or iOS. Now, having said that, the Mi 9 doesn't, and honestly, you won't be disappointed with the Mi 9. It is a very snappy phone, it takes very good photos, and it's also one of the first phones to come out with a really fast wireless charging at 20 watts. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you happen to be new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will be a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus against the iPhone XS Max and a bunch of other videos. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.